The future belongs to those who have paying skills. I want you to imagine you making money anytime and anywhere all through your life just because of the skills that you've been able to learn and you've been able to master how to sell those skills. On this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 high income paying skills that will make you money anytime, anywhere you are, all through your lifetime. Yes, because these skills are in demand skills, right? And the supply are not really is limited, right? So if you have this skill, there is nothing like it's saturated because there is always need for it, right? And like I said, it can pay you all through your life. That is what I'll be sharing with you on this video. And my fifth one, right, is like for me, is the highest paying one, because I feel like it's not everyone that is doing that now. It's not a market that is saturated yet, right? If you want to know about that, then you want to make sure you watch this video till the end so that you know what my number 5 is and you can get started with that. Now, without any further ado, my name is Grace, and on this channel I share everything about how to make money, how to grow your business, how to actually get customers for your business, and how to do all that you have to do to actually improve on your life and make money for yourself so that you can be financially free. Yes, that is why I do what I do on this channel, so that I can equip you and help you actually begin to make money for yourself so that you can live the best life that God has created you. So wherever you are in the world, I want to say welcome to the channel. Make sure you go through the channel and you will see amazing videos that will be of help to you. Without any further ado, let's get into it, guys. So my number 1, right, income skill that I will be talking about today is copywriting and content creation. Right now, it is no news that copywriting is important if you are a business owner. If you're looking at selling anything, one skill you must master is how to write copies. And what do I mean by copywriting? Copywriting is you writing to sell a particular thing. It's as simple as that. Your ability to write and get people to engage with that thing that you have written. Your ability to write about a particular product and get sales on that product, that is copywriting. Copywriting brings people to you immediately. They see what you have written, they resonate with it, and they, engage, or, they do whatever you would want them to do, because your copy is going to tell them exactly what you want them to do. That is copywriting, right? So copywriting and content writing is synonymous, right? I'm putting them together because they work hand in hand. So your content writing can be a copywriting because you are writing content in a way that it will attract people to take action. Now, why is this important? It is very important because there are a lot of people that need this skill. Right? There are a lot of people that need this skill. If you're a business owner, it is one skill you must have if you want to sell out. Or you can outsource it and get people that are into it, which are copywriters, to actually help you, write these copies, and you can get started. Right? So one skill that you want to get right now is copywriting skill. And you can get paid as much as from $100, that is about 50,000 naira, to whatever it is that you feel you can charge. Now, one thing about pricing is that it depends on your capacity and it depends on how confident you are with your delivery and with your work. Right? So that is one thing about pricing. If you feel that you are good with what you're writing and your writing gets results, of course you can price at a high price. But if you're just starting out, it's very normal that you start with something low to attract people to you. And when they get results, then you can actually use that as a testimonial to actually get more people at a high price. All right. So copywriting is the first skill that you want to learn right now that will begin to make you money, because there are a lot of business owners that actually need the skill. A lot of business owners, people are selling products and they are not selling, right? They're struggling with sales. If you can write copies for them, right, that will help them sell their product, they will very well pay you money. So you can do sales page writing for them. You can write for them on their website. You can write for them on social media. You can write ads for them, right? And they will pay you money if your copy can give them, the results that they are actually looking for. So that's one skill you want to learn and begin to monetize once you learn it. The second skill that I will talk about is digital writing and social media management. Yes, guys, digital right now is what the world is about. Everybody is going digital. Like I always tell, some people, everybody needs to be digital, right? Everybody needs to be digital, and social media management is also a skill, right, in the digital marketing that you can learn and begin to make money for yourself. Now, what you want to do is helping businesses grow on different platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever platform any business owner is, you helping them grow on those platforms is what your social media management is about. And you can get paid as much as $100 to as much as $1 million, depending on who you are, how much experience and expertise you have come to accumulate for yourself. Now, how do you get started? You can get started by actually offering a free sample to business owners. So look for business owners, right, that actually need this skill and offer them to, help them manage their social media platforms, right? Help them manage their social media platform, their Facebook account, their Instagram account. Help them manage it and grow that platform for that business. Once you do that, collect testimonials of that, right? And begin to sell yourselves using that testimonial that you have gotten from them, right? So that's one thing you want to do. If you are just starting out, learn the skill, social media management, and begin to actually sell that skill to business owners, to organizations that will need people to manage their social media accounts. Now, social media management and digital marketing is one skill that is high in demand and will never run out, because a lot of people are always coming into business. A lot of people are always looking for people that will manage their social media platforms, right? So you will always be in demand if you are good with what you do and you get results. Remember, we are not talking about you effort. We are not celebrating effort here. We are celebrating result. It is the result that tells your client that you are good with what you say you are good at, right? So that's the second digital skills that you want to actually learn, right? And you will very well begin to make money for yourself. Now, did you know that in the School of Digital Skills, which is the Skilled to Aid Academy, you can learn all of the skills that I am mentioning on this video? Yes, guys, you can learn how to manage social media. You can learn content creation. You can learn video editing. You can learn, the list is there, right? So what you want to do is click on the link in the description of this video and make sure you join the academy now to actually learn any of the skills that you would want to learn. My number 3 skills that I will be talking about is content creation. My number 3 skills that I will be talking about is content creation and video editing. Yes, guys, this is a skill that is killing it right now. Content creation is one skill that is in demand right now, and everybody is creating content. You watching me right now, you are watching my content, and you also can begin to create content. Now, you can begin to create content on different platforms, and these platforms will pay you money, or you can begin to create content content for business owners, and these business owners can pay you money. So what you want to do is look out for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and begin to create content on those platforms, because at the end of the day, you get paid for the content that you have created once people consume that content. Let's take YouTube for instance. So YouTube pay you on a daily basis as people watch your videos, right? So what you want to do is get your subscribers of 1,000, okay, and get your watch hour of 4,000, and YouTube will welcome you into the partnership program where they begin to pay you money afterwards, right? For every view you get paid for that view once you're able to meet the threshold. So YouTube is one place you can begin to create content and you will get paid for life. YouTube is also another. Not YouTube. Facebook is also another. Facebook is paying people right now on the content that they have created. TikTok is there also. So you can master any of these platforms and begin to create content on these platforms. Or you can reach out to business owners and begin to help them create videos, right? Help them create videos for their product, help them create, videos for their businesses, and they will pay you money. They can get paid for as little as $50, right? $50 in Nigeria is about 25,000 naira or more, right? So one video can, you can charge 25,000 naira for one video, and you will make ton of money if your video editing game is up to, is up notch, right? It's top notch. So you can make money if your editing video game is top notch, right? So one video can make you hundreds of dollars if you are good at it. So content creation is one skill that you want to begin to learn right now and begin to actually get started with. And the beautiful thing about it is that you can get started using your phone. Yes, guys, all of the skills that I have talked about so far are skills that you can actually implement using just your phone. And that is why I love this. So you don't want to, start thinking about getting a laptop or anything. Just the smartphone you have in your hands can actually get you started, and you'll begin to make money for yourself. The next skill I will talk about is graphics design. Yes, guys, this is you helping business owners, create social media graphics, create templates for their product, create whatever graphics, flyers, websites and all of that. So graphic design is a skill that is always high in demand, and people are ready to pay money. You can get as little as $20, right, for every design that you make, and that is about 10,000 naira, 15,000 naira, depending on your currency rate exchange. Okay, so you can get started with graphic design, and one tool you can get started with is Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that you can actually learn and begin to help amazing and ton of people to design flyers, social media graphics, videos even, right, using just that one tool. I actually have a course where I talked about how to design and in with Canva. You can actually send me a message if you're interested in learning how to actually design and in with Canva. So graphic design is one, skill that you really want to learn and begin to implement. Like I said, on the Skill to Earn Academy, you can also learn all of this that I have talked about, right? So graphic design is one skill that you want to learn that will continue to pay you money for life, because there are a lot of demand that is on that skill. Have you subscribed to this video? Have you subscribed to this channel? Go right now and subscribe. I'm waiting. I believe you have done that, right? Thank you so much. All right, guys, so let's continue. My fifth skill, like I said, which is the best of it all, is websites development and also automation. Yes, guys, now this is the skill that is in demand and it is not yet very saturated. Now, if you can create website for people, if you can create e-commerce stores, if you can actually help people to even create as little as sales funnel, a sales page, people will pay you money, right, in return for that skill. So this is a skill that is in demand, and there are a lot of people that are in need of this skill. You can begin to cash out on this skill if you position yourself as the go-to person on the skill. And like I said, from Canva, you can actually learn how to do this using Canva and actually help other people to do this. You can charge as much as $50 and above to actually, because you are just starting, right? So you want to come low so that you can get a lot of people that will actually take on your services. And like I said, as you grow in it, you become an expert in it, then definitely you can increase your price later on. Okay, so website development and automation is one in-demand skill that you can get started right now, and it will pay you money. Business owners, they need it, right? Organizations, they need this, right? To actually sell on their product, sell their business. So if you can create it for them, they will very well pay you money. So that's it, guys. These are my 5 high income paying skills that will make you money if you take on any of them. And I really want to know which of these you have got, or which of these you will learn and begin to make money from. Now let's just go through all the skills I talked about, right? So I started with you content creation, copywriting first. Okay, copywriting first, that is copywriting and content writing, then content creation and video editing. The next one I talked about was social media management. Okay, and the next one was content creation, and the next one was website development and automation. Now all of these 5 skills can make you money for life if you learn any one of them and begin to sell these skills. All right, guys, I want to know in the comments, which of these skills do you have? And if you don't have any, which of these would you want to learn? All right, like I said, I'm going to leave the link to the Skilled to Earn Academy so that you can join right now and learn any of the skills, and you can begin to monetize. Everything on how to learn and how to make money from the skills is covered in the academy, right? So you are covered. All right, so the link will be in the description of this video for you to actually get started. Now go down below and tell me which of these skills you actually want to learn, or which of them you have, and you will start selling right now. Until I come your way again on another video, it is Grace Ibe, my name. Have a wonderful day. Now don't forget to watch this video I will leave here for you so that you can learn more about how to make money for yourself. Bye bye.